Resistance welding is a welding technique that joins metal components using heat generated by electrical, resistance, and mechanical pressure without the need for filler materials. This process ensures a strong and reliable joint, capable of withstanding high currents and thermal stress, while maintaining excellent electrical conductivity. This technique is particularly suitable for applications requiring robust connections in high current scenarios, such as electric vehicles, inverter power supplies, and industrial power systems.